Hello everyone, it's Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 25. Before watching the lesson, you should do exercises 1 and 2. All the exercises are linked in the description below. Excuse me, can you help me please?
Yes, of course. How can I help?
How much are these trousers? I can't find the price.
Let me look. Here it is. They're £35.
Oh, okay. Can I try them on?
Yes, of course. The changing rooms are over there.
Before you do exercise 3, you should look at the other shopping videos again. What questions do people ask about clothes? The solutions will be linked in the description in video 26. Whenever we want to attract someone's attention in English, we nearly always start with "excuse me." We can say, "Excuse me, please," and that's sometimes enough. But sometimes we need a little more. Here are 3 ways of asking for someone's attention. The first one is simple and it's very often used. Can you help me, please? So you would go into a store and say to the shop assistant, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" We can make this more formal by changing the can to could. So could you help me, please? We can make this more formal again, more polite. Would you mind helping me, please? Would you mind? Excuse me, would you mind helping me, please? Excuse me, would you mind helping me, please? We can say this another way. I wonder, excuse me, I wonder if you could help me, please. Excuse me, I wonder if you could help me, please. These are all sentences you will hear. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Excuse me, could you help me, please? Excuse me, would you mind helping me, please? Excuse me, I wonder if you could help me, please. It will take time for you to know which one to use. When we want to attract attention in English, we should never whistle. No, that's a no-no. We should never click our fingers. That's very rude. We should never shout, "Hey, you!" Always, it is better for you to be a little formal. So, excuse me, this tells the person that you are looking for assistance. Could you help me, please? And then you tell them what it is that you need help with. The solutions will be linked in the description in video 26. In lesson 26, we are going to start looking at the rules that tell you how English is put together. These rules are called grammar. From now on, I will be uploading regular grammar lessons. Please let me know if they are helping you by commenting below. Bye-bye for now.